As we continue tonight, WPP has been the driving force behind some of the biggest marketing campaigns of the last 3 decades. Now, the world's biggest advertising and marketing group is facing its own PR disaster. Shares fell 2% in London after it emerged that the chief executive and founder, Sir Martin Sorrell, is being investigated by the board under accusations of unspecified misconduct. According to the Journal, and the company has confirmed, it says that there's a claim that Martin Sorrell misused company assets. Sir Martin says he unreservedly rejects the accusation. Jack Howe is a senior editor at Barron's. Let's start very simply. Do you know what he's alleged to have done?
I don't. The language makes me uncomfortable. You know, it's so vague. Every investor, when you say personal misconduct, investors out there are thinking, how bad are these allegations on a scale from 1 to Bill Cosby? And maybe it's not about that at all, right? They say that the asset amounts are small. That's important. We don't want to think that there could be any kind of financial crisis here. But look, this is a stock that's down 34% over the past year. That's not about misconduct. It's about very difficult conditions in this business right now. And there's a lot of it. There's $15 billion of big brand name advertising business up for bid right now. WPP has more of it to lose than to gain.
Right, so WPP, it's had several profit warnings. It had a massive organizational restructure from a very complicated structure, and there's no succession in place. Every time you ask Martin about it, he says, we're discussing it with the board, or the board is aware of this. So there's no succession in place for Sir Martin.
That's really the question. This is not about, to me, we like to think, all right, people are innocent until they're proven guilty. But when we're talking about a publicly traded company, the question is he good for business today? There's a lot of money up for grabs right now. You've talked about Facebook and the data scandal, Cambridge Analytics. That's not about their incredible creative talent. It's about them using data to persuade people. Guess what? There's loads of companies out there, Coca-Cola, Budweiser, that have their hands on perfectly legitimately obtained data. They have the ability to do more advertising themselves, and they want a better deal from the creative agencies out there.
So if you're saying that, then there's never a good time to have a crisis, a personal crisis, misconduct crisis. But is your view for Sir Martin, this is a particularly bad time because of the position that WPP's in?
If you're a big brand deciding whether to stay with them right now, you've got in the back of your head, how bad is this thing going to get? Why take a chance? Why not go over here with this agency and get a better deal right now, try to negotiate on price? I mean, it seems to me the less riskier of the two paths, and I worry that could cost WPP's shareholders some money going forward.
Good to see you, sir. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.